So today we will talk about the Bharat Gaurav scheme, and this is recently launched by our Indian Railway and announced by the Railway Minister. So let's talk about the Gaurav Bharat scheme. Why in news? As I have told you that Railway Minister announces the introduction of the Bharat Gaurav trains. Bharat Gaurav train. So remember, this is the keyword which can be added. Bharat Gaurav recently sometimes seen in the news is for what? So this is you need to remember. If you talk about the scheme, then remember that now trains have a third segment. So earlier the passenger train and goods train. Goods passenger, basically the passenger go from the trains like from the Haryana to Bihar, Delhi to Bihar or somewhere like this, and there are the goods like the coal transported by the some, and there are the some minerals which is transported by the railway. So that is known as the goods railway. Now there will be a third segment basically for the tourism and known for the tourism railway. So this is all about. If you talk about the aim of scheme, then to showcase the India's rich cultural heritage and magnificent historical places. So remember that to the people of India as well as to the people of the world, because tourists came in India, and that's why, and India is also a very tourist country. That's why through this scheme, if there is a dedicated corridor or there are the dedicated railway, so it will help to basically transport from one place to another place. So this was to showcase the India's rich cultural heritage and magnificent historical places, and basically to tap the vast tourism potential. So what are the areas of the tourism potential? Basically it will provide the employment as well to the people, and basically to know about the India is the main aim of this Bharat Gaurav scheme. So this is all about. If you talk about the other things about this scheme, then these trains are not regular trains, means not just like the passenger train. So this will in someday there will be off, someday there will be on train. So there will be no regular train and will be run by both the private and the public players. So this is very important. Further about the Bharat Gaurav scheme, then trains will be theme based. Means what do you mean by the theme based tourist circuit? Means suppose if there is anything which is related to Guru Kripa, then you can visit all the Sikh Gurus, whatever the, and that is the circuit which is connected to all the Guru Nanak places. Similarly with the Ramayana, if you talk about the Lord Rama, similarly if you talk about the Jainism, so these are the connected areas will be connected, and that if you visit in one train, then you can go to all the areas which covered either the Guru Nanak or if you talk about the Lord Rama. So this is the what this circuit will be created through these trains. So remember that. So that's why the theme based tourist circuit trains. Another is the service provider to offer all-inclusive package to tourists, including the rail travel, hotel management and the tour guide. Means whatever is the provider, either the public players and the private sphere, he has or she has the full power to provide a full package to customer and take the all care of the customer, and he has the full flexibility to decide as well. So remember, this point is very important, and here is the word is all is very important, which is a keyword asked in the examination. If we talk about, as I have told you, that full flexibility to decide the package cost on level of services which are providing by the provider. So you need to remember. If you talk about the branding and advertising permitted both inside and outside the train. So when you go through the metro, you will see that there is an advertisement both inside and outside the train about the some government are like doing this, doing this. So this is provided both inside the train as well as the outside the train. Who is the service provided? They can also brand and advertise the tourist places or whatever they want. So this is one of the facility provided under Bharat Gaurav scheme. If you talk about the train composition will be 14 to 20 coaches. So it will be a large train, not a small like 1 or 2 coaches. It will be a large, and obviously there are around the 80 passengers in each train will be covered around. So remember that there will be a customer support units will be provided, and which will be made functional to support the customer if the any implementation in lacking, if there is any lack in implementation of Bharat Gaurav scheme. So this is all about the Bharat Gaurav scheme. What you need to remember that this is initiated by the Indian Railway. So remember that, and it can be done by both the private and public players. And what is the main theme or main aim? You can say that the basically to showcase the India's rich cultural heritage and tap the vast potential in the tourism sector. And this is a theme based circuit passenger, not like the passenger train or goods train. So and it will not be regular as well. So someday it might be off, someday it might be off, or it depends on the tourist places where actually these trains are going. So this is all about. Thank you guys, hope you like this video. You should subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.